Are your habits making you less attractive? Do you know which habits make you less appealing to others? Do you want to improve your attractiveness by breaking these habits? Are you unknowingly pushing people away? Worry no more. In this video, we will together discover the top 5 habits that could be hurting your attractiveness and start taking steps to break them today. Boosting your attractiveness doesn't have to be complicated. Just walk a dog, play some tunes, or crack a joke. However, attracting others can be easily sabotaged, like slouching in a dating profile pic. So, we've compiled a list of common behaviors that can harm your chances of being an attractive person, including non-physical factors. Curious? Here are 5 scientifically backed traits that make you less attractive. Number 5. You've gotten lax about your personal hygiene. Not brushing teeth, showering, shaving, etc. can be inconsiderate for our partners, especially when we know that it bothers them and we're still not intentional about handling it better, said Northern California therapist Kurt Smith, who specializes in counseling men. Neglecting personal hygiene not only affects you, but it can also be inconsiderate of the people behind you. If they are bothered by your lack of brushing teeth, showering, shaving, or other hygiene habits, it's time to take responsibility and make a change. And if you're experiencing depression or other mental health issues that impact your motivation and self-worth, don't be afraid to seek help from a mental health professional. Taking care of your hygiene is one part of taking care of yourself and your relationships. So it's time to scrub up. Don't let your personal hygiene slide. Number 4. Sleep deprivation. Want to look your best? Don't skip out on sleep. According to a study by researchers in Sweden and the Netherlands, sleep-deprived people can appear less healthy and attractive than those who are well-rested. Further analysis revealed that lack of sleep leads to droopy eyelids, red eyes, dark circles, and even a sadder expression. Don't let sleep deprivation get in the way of your good looks. Make sure you catch enough zzz every night. Number 3. Heavy smoking and drinking. Quit smoking or kiss your attractiveness goodbye. New study reveals the ugly truth about lighting up. Not only will smoking potentially painfully kill you, but it also poses a serious threat to your dating game. Over 60% of non-smokers consider smoking a deal breaker, making it harder for smokers to find love. And let's not forget about the unattractive smell and taste that come with it. So, if you're looking to improve your chances in the dating world, maybe it's time to quit smoking. Don't let smoking steal your potential romance and happiness. Number 2. Dishonesty. Want to impress someone? Honesty is the best policy, even when it comes to your looks. Research shows that lying to seem more attractive is a turn-off for both men and women. In a study, honesty was found to be the only trait that had a significant impact on attractiveness and likability. Plus, being truthful about your appearance will pay off in the long run. According to dating coach Rory Sassoon, starting with dishonesty could be a deal breaker. Don't risk it. Be honest and embrace your true beauty. Number 1. Making promises you can't keep. Keeping your promises, no matter how small, can go a long way in creating trust and demonstrating love to anyone around you. However, failing to follow through on commitments can slowly damage the relationship you have with them. It can be as simple as taking care of the car lease, finishing a home project, or sticking to a routine household task. To avoid letting down anyone that you've been promised, set reminders and give yourself realistic goals. Be honest with them if you can't fulfill a task and explain why. By keeping your word and being transparent, you can strengthen your bond and build trust with each other. Your attractiveness is not entirely determined by your appearance. By being mindful of your behaviors and habits, you can take control of your appeal. Don't let self-sabotage hold you back from finding the love and relationships you deserve. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.